भैरवैरष्टभिर्वेष्टिते देवी वामादिभिः शक्तिभिः सेविते धात्रिलक्ष्म्यादिशक्त्यष्टकैः संयुते मातृकामण्डलैर्मण्डिते यक्षगन्धर्वसिद्धाङ्गना मण्डलैरर्चिते पञ्चबाणात्मिके पञ्चबाणेन रत्या च सम्भाविते प्रीतिभाजा वसन्तेन चानन्दिते भक्तिभाजां परं श्रेयसे कल्प्यसे योगिनां मानसे द्योतसे.
Aarti can continue from next line. I shall chant it and you repeat. Okay. I shall, for the fourth dandakam, I shall chant 2 lines together. Wait until I finish the 2 lines, then repeat. Chandasa mojasa bhrajase Gita vidya vinodadi trishnena krishnena sampujyase.
छन्दसा मोजसा भ्राजसे गीतविद्या विनोदाति तृष्णेन कृष्णेन सम्पूज्यसे
भक्तिमच्चेतसा वेधसा स्तूयसे विश्वहृद्येन वाद्येन विद्याधरैर्गीयसे
भक्तिमच्चेतसा वेधसा स्तूयसे विश्वहृद्येन वाद्येन विद्याधरैर्गीयसे.
Now 1 line each. श्रवणहरण दक्षिणक्वाणया वीणया किन्नरैर्गीयसे
श्रवणहरण दक्षिणक्वाणया वीणया किन्नरैर्गीयसे
यक्षगन्धर्वसिद्धाङ्गना मण्डलैरर्च्यसे
यक्षगन्धर्वसिद्धाङ्गना मण्डलैरर्च्यसे
सर्वसौभाग्यवाञ्छावतीभिर्वधूभिः सुराणां समाराध्यसे
सर्वसौभाग्यवाञ्छावतीभिर्वधूभिः सुराणां समाराध्यसे
सर्वविद्याविशेषात्मकञ्चाटुगाथा समुच्चारणं कण्ठमूलोल्लसद्वर्ण राजित्रयं कोमलश्यामलोदार पक्षद्वयं तुण्डशोभाति दूरीभवत् किं शुकन्तं शुकलालयन्ती परिक्रीडसे
सर्वविद्याविशेषात्मकं चाटुगाथा समुच्चारणं कण्ठमूलोल्लसद्वर्ण राजित्रयं कोमलश्यामलोदार पक्षद्वयं तुण्ड शोभाति दूरीभवत् किं शुकन्तं शुकं लालयन्ती परिक्रीडसे.
All of it was right except the last one. Shukallalayanti.
किं शुकन्तं शुकल्लालयन्ती परिक्रीडसे.
Yesterday that was happening, but I just didn't correct her yesterday in the last 2 times. But it is Shukallalayanti. There is no change about that. Pani Padma.
Pani Padma. Pani Padma.
Dvayenakshamalamapि.
द्वयेनाक्षमालामपि द्वयेनाक्षमालामपि
स्फाटिकीं
स्फाटिकीं
ज्ञानसारात्मकम्
ज्ञानसारात्मकम् ज्ञानसारात्मकम्
पुस्तकञ्चापरेणाङ्कुशम्
पुस्तकं चापरेणाङ्कुशम् पुस्तकं चापरेणाङ्कुशम्
पाशमाबिभ्रति
पाशमाबिभ्रति पाशमाबिभ्रति
येन सञ्चिन्त्यसे
येन सञ्चिन्त्यसे येन सञ्चिन्त्यसे.
Okay, so we shall again split this line into two and learn it like we do for all the lengthy lines. पाणिपद्मद्वयेन क्षमालामपि
पाणिपद्मद्वयेनाक्षमालामपि पाणिपद्मद्वयेनाक्षमालामपि
स्फाटिकीज्ञानसारात्मकम्
स्फाटिकीं ज्ञानसारात्मकम् स्फाटिकीं ज्ञानसारात्मकम्.
Okay, so here it is nya cha 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 nya स्फाटिकीज्ञान not in.
स्फाटिकीं ज्ञानसारात्मकम्.
You need not close your mouth as im. Sphatikijnana, not sphatiki.
स्फाटिज्ञानसारात्मकम्.
पुस्तकञ्चापरेणाङ्कुशम्
पुस्तकं चापरेणाङ्कुशम् पुस्तकं चापरेणाङ्कुशम्
पाशमाबिभ्रति
पाशमाबिभ्रति पाशमाबिभ्रति
येन सञ्चिन्त्यसे
येन सञ्चिन्त्यसे येन सञ्चिन्त्यसे.
पाणिपद्मद्वयेन क्षमालामपि स्फाटिकीम्
पाणिपद्मद्वयेनाक्षमालामपि स्फाटिकीम् पाणिपद्मद्वयेनाक्षमालामपि स्फाटिकीम्.
Okay, yesterday I did say this, but again, so that we remember today, only when I'm splitting, I am stopping it as im. Otherwise, when I'm joining it, I shall pronounce the anuswaras in a different way. So please do not get confused about that. ज्ञानसारात्मकं पुस्तकं चापरेणाङ्कुशम्
ज्ञानसारात्मकं पुस्तकं चापरेणाङ्कुशम् ज्ञानसारात्मकं पुस्तकं चापरेणाङ्कुशम्
पाशमाबिभ्रति येन सञ्चिन्त्यसे
पाशमाबिभ्रति येन सञ्चिन्त्यसे पाशमाबिभ्रति येन सञ्चिन्त्यसे.
पाणिपद्मद्वयेन क्षमालामपि स्फाटिकीम्
पाणिपद्मद्वयेनाक्षमालामपि स्फाटिकीम् पाणिपद्मद्वयेनाक्षमालामपि स्फाटिकीम्
ज्ञानसारात्मकं पुस्तकं चापरेणाङ्कुशम्
ज्ञानसारात्मकं पुस्तकं चापरेणाङ्कुशम् ज्ञानसारात्मकं पुस्तकं चापरेणाङ्कुशम्
पाशमाबिभ्रति येन सञ्चिन्त्यसे
पाशमाबिभ्रति येन सञ्चिन्त्यसे पाशमाबिभ्रति येन sancintyase.
Okay, now to the whole line. Sorry, the first half of the line. पाणिपद्मद्वयेनाक्षमालामपि स्फाटिकीज्ञान सारात्मकं पुस्तकं चापरेणाङ्कुशं पाशमाबिभ्रति येन सञ्चिन्त्यसे.
पाणिपद्मद्वयेनाक्षमालामपि स्फाटिकीं ज्ञानसारात्मकं पुस्तकं चापरेणाङ्कुशं पाशमाबिभ्रति येन सञ्चिन्त्यसे. पाणिपद्मद्वयेनाक्षमालामपि स्फाटिकीज्ञानसारात्मकं पुस्तकं चापरेणाङ्कुशं पाशमाबिभ्रति येन सञ्चिन्त्यसे.
तस्य वक्त्रान्तरात्
तस्य वक्त्रान्तरात्
गद्यपद्यात्मिका
गद्यपद्यात्मिका
भारती निस्सरेत्.
भारती निस्सरेत्.
तस्य वक्त्रान्तरात् गद्यपद्यात्मिका
तस्य वक्त्रान्तरात् गद्यपद्मात्मिका तस्य वक्त्रान्तरात् पद्यात्मिका
once more.
तस्य वक्त्रान्तरात् गद्यपद्यात्मिका
भारती निस्सरेत्.
भारती निस्सरेत्.
तस्य वक्त्रान्तरात् गद्यपद्यात्मिका भारती निस्सरेत्.
तस्य वक्त्रान्तरात् गद्यपद्यात्मिका भारती निस्सरेत्. तस्य वक्त्रान्तरात् गद्यपद्यात्मिका भारती निस्सरेत्.
Now for the whole line, both the parts together. पाणिपद्मद्वयेनाक्षमालामपि स्फाटिकीज्ञानसारात्मकं पुस्तकं चापरेणाङ्कुशं पाशमाबिभ्रति येन सञ्चिन्त्यसे. तस्य वक्त्रान्तरात् गद्यपद्यात्मिका भारती निस्सरेत्.
पाणिपद्मद्वयेनाक्षमालामपि स्फाटिकीं ज्ञानसारात्मकं पुस्तकं चापरेणाङ्कुशं पाशमाबिभ्रति येन सञ्चिन्त्यसे. तस्य वक्त्रान्तरात् गद्यपद्यात्मिका भारती निस्सरेत्.
Again.
पाणिपद्मद्वयेनाक्षमालामपि स्फाटिकीं ज्ञानसारात्मकं पुस्तकं चापरेणाङ्कुशं पाशमाबिभ्रति येन सञ्चिन्त्यसे. तस्य वक्त्रान्तरात् गद्यपद्यात्मिका भारती निस्सरेत्.
Thank you. येन वा यावकाभाकृतिः भाव्यसे तस्य वश्या
तस्य वश्या
भवन्ति स्त्रियः पूरुषाः
भवन्ति स्त्रियः पूरुषाः भवन्ति स्त्रियः पूरुषाः
येन वा यावका भाकृतिर्भाव्यसे
येन वा यावका भाकृतिर्भाव्यसे येन वा यावका भाकृतिर्भाव्यसे
तस्य वश्या भवन्ति स्त्रियः पूरुषाः
तस्य वश्या भवन्ति स्त्रियः पूरुषाः तस्य वश्या भवन्ति स्त्रियः पूरुषाः
Now full line. येन वा यावका भाकृतिर्भाव्यसे तस्य वश्या भवन्ति स्त्रियः पूरुषाः
येन वा यावका भाकृतिर्भाव्यसे तस्य वश्या भवन्ति स्त्रियः पूरुषाः येन वा यावका भाकृतिर्भाव्यसे तस्य वश्या भवन्ति स्त्रियः पूरुषाः
येन वा
येन वा
शातकुम्भद्युतिः
शातकुम्भद्युतिः
भाव्यसे
भाव्यसे सोऽपि लक्ष्मीसहस्रैः
परिक्रीडते येन वा शातकुम्भद्युतिर्भाव्यसे
येन वा शातकुम्भद्युतिर्भाव्यसे
सोऽपि लक्ष्मीसहस्रैः परिक्रीडते
कोऽपि लक्ष्मीसहस्रैः परिक्रीडते
येन वा शातकुम्भद्युतिर्भाव्यसे सोऽपि लक्ष्मीसहस्रैः परिक्रीडते
येन वा शातकुम्भद्युतिर्भाव्यसे सोऽपि लक्ष्मीसहस्रैः परिक्रीडते येन वा शातकुम्भद्युतिर्भाव्यसे सोऽपि लक्ष्मीसहस्रैः परिक्रीडते
किन्न सिद्ध्येद्वपुः
किं न सिद्ध्येद्वपुः किं न सिद्ध्येद्वपुः
It's kinna. Since it
किन्न
is श्यामलं कोमलं श्यामलं कोमलं
श्यामलं कोमलं
No, when you're breaking it, you can pronounce it as im. So when we are joining,
श्यामलं कोमलं श्यामलं कोमलं
किन्न सिद्ध्येद्वपुष्यामलं कोमलम्
किन्न सिद्ध्येद्वपुष्यामलं कोमलं किन्न सिद्ध्येद्वपुष्यामलं कोमलं
चन्द्रचूडान्वितं
चन्द्रचूडान्वितं चन्द्रचूडान्वितं
तावकन्ध्यायतः
तावकं ध्यायतः तावकं ध्यायतः
किन्न सिद्ध्येद्वपुष्यामलं कोमलम्
किन्न सिद्ध्येद्वपुष्यामलं श्यामलं कोमलं किन्न सिद्ध्येद्वपुष्यामलं कोमलं
कोमलम्
कोमलं
चन्द्रचूडान्वितन्तावकन्ध्यायतः
चन्द्रचूडान्वितं तावकं ध्यायतः चन्द्रचूडान्वितं तावकं ध्यायतः
किन्न सिद्ध्येद्वपुष्यामलं कोमलं चन्द्रचूडान्वितन्तावकन्ध्यायतः
किन्न सिद्ध्येद्वपुष्यामलं कोमलं चन्द्रचूडान्वितं तावकं ध्यायतः किन्न सिद्ध्येद्वपुष्यामलं कोमलं चन्द्रचूडान्वितं तावकं ध्यायतः.
All the anuswaras were right. Just sha, it's not, there is no la. There is only la. Shamalam komalam. Komalan chandra. So when we are pronouncing the anuswara, probably that becomes la. But in Sanskrita, we do not pronounce la. So we may avoid that. That's okay. Tasya.
तस्य
लीला सरोवारिधिः
लीलासरोवारिधिः लीलासरोवारिधिः
तस्य लीला सरोवारिधिः
तस्य लीलासरोवारिधिः तस्य लीलासरोवारिधिः
Continue. Thank you. Continue. तस्य केलीवनम्
तस्य केलीवनम् तस्य केलीवनम्
नन्दनम्
नन्दनम् नन्दनम्
तस्य भद्रासनम्
तस्य भद्रासनम् तस्य भद्रासनम्
भूतलम्
भूतलम् भूतलम्
तस्य गीर्देवता किङ्करी
तस्य गीर्देवता किङ्करी तस्य गीर्देवता किङ्करी
तस्य चाज्ञाकरी श्रीस्वयम्
तस्य चाज्ञाकरी श्रीस्वयम् तस्य चाज्ञाकरी श्रीस्वयम्
तस्य केलीवनन्दनं तस्य भद्रासनं भूतलम्
तस्य केलीवनन्दनं तस्य भद्रासनं भूतलम् तस्य केलीवनन्दनं तस्य भद्रासनं भूतलम्
तस्य गीर्देवता किङ्करी
तस्य गीर्देवता किङ्करी तस्य गीर्देवता किङ्करी
तस्य चाज्ञाकरी श्रीस्वयम्
तस्य चाज्ञाकरी श्रीस्वयम् तस्य चाज्ञाकरी स्वयम्
तस्य केलीवनन्दनन्तस्य भद्रासनं भूतलन्तस्य गीर्देवता किङ्करी तस्य चाज्ञाकरी स्वयम्
तस्य केलीवनन्दनन्तस्य भद्रासनं भूतलन्तस्य गीर्देवता किङ्करी तस्य चाज्ञाकरी स्वयम् तस्य केलीवनन्दनन्तस्य भद्रासनं भूतलन्तस्य गीर्देवता किङ्करी तस्य चाज्ञाकरी स्वयम्.
Now, the previous line is together. Repeat and तस्य लीला सरोवारिधिस्तस्य केलीवनन्दनं तस्य भद्रासनं भूतलन्तस्य गीर्देवता किङ्करी तस्य चाज्ञाकरी स्वयम्. Just a minute. So here tasya leela sarovaridhi we can stop, or we can join it with this also. Tasya leela sarovaridhis tasya kelivanam. So that is left to us. For now you can split and chant. I just chant it together, but Sanket you can split and chant.
तस्य लीला सरोवारिधिः तस्य केलीवनन्दनन्तस्य भद्रासनं भूतलन्तस्य गीर्देवता किङ्करी तस्य चाज्ञाकरी स्वयम्.
So we come to the last line of this Dandakam. So this is a huge line with more of repetition. So it's a challenge just to remember the order. So before starting itself, before the questions, I would say they are of different orders in different books, and in some books there are different phrases also. So here we shall follow this order and these phrases, so that we stick to the uniformity again for the course. But there are other, not only one Patabheda, but more than one Patabheda you may find. So here the last line we are learning this here. That's it. Sarvatirthatmike
सर्वतीर्थात्मिके सर्वतीर्थात्मिके
सर्वमन्त्रात्मिके
सर्वमन्त्रात्मिके सर्वमन्त्रात्मिके
सर्वतन्त्रात्मिके
सर्वतन्त्रात्मिके सर्वतन्त्रात्मिके
सर्वयन्त्रात्मिके
सर्वयन्त्रात्मिके सर्वयन्त्रात्मिके
सर्वशक्त्यात्मिके
सर्वशक्त्यात्मिके सर्वशक्त्यात्मिके
सर्वपीठात्मिके
सर्वपीठात्मिके सर्वपीठात्मिके
सर्वतत्त्वात्मिके
सर्वतत्त्वात्मिके सर्वतत्त्वात्मिके
सर्वविद्यात्मिके
सर्वविद्यात्मिके सर्वविद्यात्मिके
सर्वयोगात्मिके
सर्वयोगात्मिके सर्वयोगात्मिके
सर्वनादात्मिके
सर्वनादात्मिके सर्वनादात्मिके
सर्वतीर्थात्मिके सर्वमन्त्रात्मिके
सर्वतीर्थात्मिके सर्वमन्त्रात्मिके सर्वतीर्थात्मिके सर्वमन्त्रात्मिके
सर्वतन्त्रात्मिके सर्वयन्त्रात्मिके
सर्वतन्त्रात्मिके सर्वयन्त्रात्मिके सर्वतन्त्रात्मिके सर्वयन्त्रात्मिके
सर्वशक्त्यात्मिके सर्वपीठात्मिके
सर्वशक्त्यात्मिके सर्वपीठात्मिके सर्वशक्त्यात्मिके सर्वपीठात्मिके
सर्वतत्त्वात्मिके सर्वविद्यात्मिके
सर्वतत्त्वात्मिके सर्वविद्यात्मिके सर्वतत्त्वात्मिके सर्वविद्यात्मिके
सर्वयोगात्मिके सर्वनादात्मिके
सर्वयोगात्मिके सर्वनादात्मिके सर्वयोगात्मिके सर्वनादात्मिके.
Okay, so now we've completed half the line. As we shall learn this half line as two halves. सर्वतीर्थात्मिके सर्वमन्त्रात्मिके सर्वतन्त्रात्मिके सर्वयन्त्रात्मिके सर्वशक्त्यात्मिके
सर्वतीर्थात्मिके सर्वमन्त्रात्मिके सर्वतन्त्रात्मिके सर्वयन्त्रात्मिके सर्वशक्त्यात्मिके सर्वतीर्थात्मिके सर्वमन्त्रात्मिके सर्वतन्त्रात्मिके सर्वयन्त्रात्मिके सर्वशक्त्यात्मिके
सर्वपीठात्मिके सर्वतत्त्वात्मिके सर्वविद्यात्मिके सर्वयोगात्मिके सर्वनादात्मिके
पीठात्मिके सर्वतत्त्वात्मिके सर्वविद्यात्मिके सर्वयोगात्मिके सर्वनादात्मिके सर्वपीठात्मिके सर्वतत्त्वात्मिके सर्वविद्यात्मिके सर्वयोगात्मिके सर्वनादात्मिके.
Now the first half fully. सर्वतीर्थात्मिके सर्वमन्त्रात्मिके सर्वतन्त्रात्मिके सर्वयन्त्रात्मिके सर्वशक्त्यात्मिके सर्वपीठात्मिके सर्वतत्त्वात्मिके सर्वविद्यात्मिके सर्वयोगात्मिके सर्वनादात्मिके
सर्वतीर्थात्मिके सर्वमन्त्रात्मिके सर्वतन्त्रात्मिके सर्वयन्त्रात्मिके सर्वशक्त्यात्मिके सर्वपीठात्मिके सर्वतत्त्वात्मिके सर्वविद्यात्मिके सर्वयोगात्मिके सर्वनादात्मिके सर्वतीर्थात्मिके सर्वमन्त्रात्मिके सर्वतन्त्रात्मिके सर्वयन्त्रात्मिके सर्वशक्त्यात्मिके सर्वपीठात्मिके सर्वपीठात्मिके सर्वतत्त्वात्मिके सर्वविद्यात्मिके सर्वयोगात्मिके सर्वनादात्मिके
सर्वशब्दात्मिके
सर्वशब्दात्मिके सर्वशब्दात्मिके
सर्वविश्वात्मिके
सर्वविश्वात्मिके सर्वविश्वात्मिके
सर्वदीक्षात्मिके
सर्वदीक्षात्मिके सर्वदीक्षात्मिके
सर्वसर्वात्मिके
सर्वसर्वात्मिके सर्वसर्वात्मिके.
It is sarva. No, I heard a sha. It's just sa and sa. Saraswati. I heard it. You may repeat.
सर्वसर्वात्मिके
सर्वगे
सर्वगे सर्वगे
पाहि मां पाहि मां पाहि मां तुभ्यं नमो देवी तुभ्यं नमो देवी तुभ्यं नमः
देवी तुभ्यं नमो देवी तुभ्यं नमो देवी तुभ्यं नमः देवी तुभ्यं नमो देवी तुभ्यं नमो देवी तुभ्यं नमः
सर्वशब्दात्मिके सर्वविश्वात्मिके
सर्वशब्दात्मिके सर्वविश्वात्मिके सर्वशब्दात्मिके सर्वविश्वात्मिके
सर्वदीक्षात्मिके सर्वसर्वात्मिके सर्वगे
सर्वदीक्षात्मिके सर्वसर्वात्मिके सर्वगे सर्वदीक्षात्मिके सर्वसर्वात्मिके सर्वगे
पाहि मां पाहि मां पाहि मां पाहि मां देवी तुभ्यं नमो देवी तुभ्यं नमो देवी तुभ्यं नमः
पाहि मां पाहि मां पाहि मां देवी तुभ्यं नमो देवी तुभ्यं नमो देवी तुभ्यं नमः पाहि मां पाहि मां पाहि मां देवी तुभ्यं नमो देवी तुभ्यं नमो देवी तुभ्यं नमः
Now the second part fully. सर्वशब्दात्मिके सर्वविश्वात्मिके सर्वदीक्षात्मिके सर्वसर्वात्मिके सर्वगे पाहि मां पाहि मां देवी तुभ्यं नमो देवी तुभ्यं नमो देवी तुभ्यं नमः
सर्वशब्दात्मिके सर्वविश्वात्मिके सर्वदीक्षात्मिके सर्वसर्वात्मिके सर्वगे पाहि मां पाहि मां देवी तुभ्यं नमो देवी तुभ्यं नमो देवी तुभ्यं नमः सर्वशब्दात्मिके सर्वविश्वात्मिके सर्वदीक्षात्मिके सर्वसर्वात्मिके सर्वगे पाहि मां देवी तुभ्यं नमो देवी तुभ्यं नमो देवी तुभ्यं नमः
Now I shall chant the whole line and the panelists shall repeat twice. सर्वतीर्थात्मिके सर्वमन्त्रात्मिके सर्वतन्त्रात्मिके सर्वयन्त्रात्मिके सर्वशक्त्यात्मिके सर्वपीठात्मिके सर्वतत्त्वात्मिके सर्वविद्यात्मिके सर्वयोगात्मिके सर्वनादात्मिके सर्वशब्दात्मिके सर्वविश्वात्मिके सर्वदीक्षात्मिके सर्वसर्वात्मिके सर्वगे पाहि मां देवी तुभ्यं नमो देवी तुभ्यं नमो देवी तुभ्यं नमः
सर्वतीर्थात्मिके सर्वमन्त्रात्मिके सर्वतन्त्रात्मिके सर्वयन्त्रात्मिके सर्वशक्त्यात्मिके सर्वपीठात्मिके सर्वतत्त्वात्मिके सर्वविद्यात्मिके सर्वयोगात्मिके सर्वनादात्मिके सर्वशब्दात्मिके सर्वविश्वात्मिके सर्वदीक्षात्मिके सर्वसर्वात्मिके सर्वगे पाहि मां देवी तुभ्यं नमो देवी तुभ्यं नमो देवी तुभ्यं नमः
That's what.
सर्वतीर्थात्मिके सर्वमन्त्रात्मिके सर्वतन्त्रात्मिके सर्वयन्त्रात्मिके सर्वशक्त्यात्मिके सर्वपीठात्मिके सर्वतत्त्वात्मिके सर्वविद्यात्मिके सर्वयोगात्मिके सर्वनादात्मिके सर्वशब्दात्मिके सर्वविश्वात्मिके सर्वदीक्षात्मिके सर्वसर्वात्मिके सर्वगे पाहि मां पाहि मां देवि तुभ्यं नमो देवि तुभ्यं नमो देवि तुभ्यं नमः.
Okay. So by the kripa of Shyamala, we come to the end of learning the Shyamala Dandakam today. So this is one of the variations. Now I shall chant those lines which we learned today, and then we shall move on to the revision by the participants, chanting with the participants, and the question answer session. Tomorrow we shall be, if possible, we shall be having the revision followed by the valedictory, or we shall be having the valedictory followed by revision. It depends on the timings. But 5 to 6 is the class, is the timing. Is the revision before or after shall be decided tomorrow. Now I shall chant the lines we learned today. पाणिपद्मद्वयेनाक्षमालामपि स्फाटिकीज्ञानसारात्मकं पुस्तकं चापरेणाङ्कुशं पाशमाबिभ्रति येन सञ्चिन्त्यसे तस्य वक्त्रान्तराद्गद्यपद्यात्मिका भारती निस्सरेत् येन वायावकाभाकृतिर्भव्यसे तस्य वश्या भवन्ति स्त्रियः पूरुषाः येन वाशातकुम्भद्युतिर्भव्यसे सोऽपि लक्ष्मीसहस्रैः परिक्रीडते किन्न सिद्ध्येद्वपुष्यामलं कोमलं चन्द्र चूडान्वितं तावकन्ध्यायतः तस्य लीला सरोवारिधिः तस्य केलीवनन्दनं तस्य भद्रासनं भूतलं तस्य गिर्देवता किङ्करी तस्य चाज्ञाकरी श्री स्वयं सर्वतीर्थात्मिके सर्वमन्त्रात्मिके सर्वतन्त्रात्मिके सर्वयन्त्रात्मिके सर्वपीठात्मिके सर्वतत्त्वात्मिके सर्वविद्यात्मिके सर्वयोगात्मिके सर्वनादात्मिके सर्वशब्दात्मिके सर्वविश्वात्मिके सर्वदीक्षात्मिके सर्वसर्वात्मिके सर्वगे पाहि मां देवि तुभ्यं नमो देवि तुभ्यं नमो देवि तुभ्यं नमः. We shall begin the revision from Dandakam 4 today. Or we shall begin the revision from Dandakam 3 today. By the participants, those who want to chant, please raise your hands. Okay, here I find questions about the date for assessments. The date for assessment shall be announced tomorrow, and the timings and slots, all that shall be communicated through your mails. So kindly wait for that. Tomorrow all that shall be sorted out. Regarding your assessments, both the Parayana and Kanthapata shall happen for this. So there is no confusion about that. But the dates shall be confirmed tomorrow. And we should also share the link where you can book your dates or slots very soon. Jayanti J, you may begin.
Ram Ram Bhagini.
Ram Ram.
Vikasita Navakim Shukatam. Sorry. विकसित नव किंशु काताभ्र दिव्याशु कच्छन्न चारुरुशोभा पराभूत सिंधूर शोणायमानेन्द्र मातंक अस्तार्गले वैभवानर्गले श्यामले.
Good. Like how I say, pronounce the Mahaprana, please do not pronounce the Mahaprana where not required. Example, it's not Sindhura, it is Sindhura. That's okay. The flow
Sindhu.
will- Yes,
Oh,
it is.
Sindur. Okay.
It is Alpaprana there. It is just pronounced soft.
Okay, ma.
Again, reminding
yes,
those
ma'am.
who chanted
Yes,
kindly.
ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
Yes, that's okay. Those who've chanted,
Okay, thank you.
put your hands down and mute yourselves. Vishalakshi Kannan. Yes.
कोमलस्निग्धनीलोत्पलोत्पादितानङ्गतूणीरशङ्काकरोदार चारुलीलागते.
Good. Padma Narayan.
नम्र दिक्पाल सीमन्तिनी कुन्तल स्निग्ध नील प्रभा पुञ्ज संज्ञात दुर्वाङ्कुराशङ्क सारङ्ग संयोग रिङ्खन्न केतुज्वले प्रोज्वले निर्मले.
Good.
Thank you.
Lakshmi R.
हरि ओम्.
Hari.
प्रह्वदेवेश लक्ष्मीश भूतेश तोयेश वाणीश कीनाश दैत्येश यक्षेश वाय्वग्निकोटिरमाणिक्य संघृष्ट बालातपोद्धाम लाक्षारसारुण्य तारुण्य लक्ष्मी गृहीताङ्घ्रि पद्मे सुपद्मे उमे. धन्यवादः.
Good fluency, but again, the Alpaprana and Mahaprana could be corrected. It was
Okay.
it was supposed to be Bala Tapodama. It was an Alpaprana.
Bala Tapodhama.
No, you need
Tapodhama.
not stress that. Yes.
Okay. Bala Tapodhama.
So there is a Dvitva there, that is it. There is no
yeah.
Dvitva in the sense you just
In the
give an
flow it is
extra-
coming.
extra pressure with the letter. You
In the
don't
flow the pressure
force
is
the
given. I will try to rectify.
But
Dhanyavad.
Sangrishta, there it is a Mahaprana. You are supposed to hit the letter.
Sangrishta.
Sangrishta.
Okay.
So you can pronounce that very prominently.
Okay.
Well,
Anyway.
Dhanyavad. Uma Devi.
प्रह्वदेवेश लक्ष्मीश भूतेश तोयेश वाणीश कीनाश दैत्येश यक्षेश वाय्वग्निकोटिरमाणिक्य संघृष्ट बालातपोद्दाम लाक्षारसारुण्य तारुण्य लक्ष्मी गृहीताङ्घ्रि पद्मे सुपद्मे उमे.
Good.
Thank you.
Jayanti's eyebrow.
नमस्ते गुरुजी.
नमस्ते.
सुरुचिर नवरत्न पीठस्थिते सुस्थिते.
Could you repeat the same line?
सुरुचिर नवरत्न पीठस्थिते सुस्थिते.
Good. The second sthite was susthite, that was right. But in your first sthite, you are giving the Mahaprana even to the te. Just be careful about that. You are able to pronounce it because your second sthite is right.
Okay, ma'am.
So you can practice that. You can chant this line also. Jayanti's
रत्न पद्मासने रत्न सिंहासने शंख पद्मद्वयोपाश्रिते.
Good. Tripura Sundari.
हरि ओम्.
Hari.
तत्र विघ्नेश दुर्गावटु क्षेत्रपालैर्युते मत्तमादङ्गकन्या समूहान्विते.
Good. Do not pronounce ta as da. Samuhanvite, the ta was correct. Matta, the ta was correct. But it became madanga. It's matanga.
That is. तप्तमातङ्गकन्या
Right.
समूहान्विते.
Wonderful.
Hari Om.
Hari Om. Vijayalakshmi Kritrivasan.
Ram Ram Ram.
Ram.
मंजुला मेनकाद्यङ्गनामानि ते भैरवैरष्टभिर्वेष्टिते.
Wonderful. And
Namaste.
yes.
देवी वामादिभिः शक्तिभिः सेविते धात्रिलक्ष्म्यादिशक्त्यष्टकैः संयुते.
Sorry, here it's supposed to be a dot on top of is and sa. The Ardha Makara has come. It's wrong here, but it's been uploaded rightly. It's Sanyute.
This is what I wanted to ask because in my script is a dot.
No, it is it is a dot Anuswara on top of sa.
Yes.
So it is Sanyute.
Yes, yes. धात्रिलक्ष्म्यादिशक्त्यष्टकैः संयुते संयुते.
Correct. Yes. Jayalakshmi Ravi.
Ram.
Ram Ram.
Which one?
You can continue. 9th and 10th line. Matrika.
Matruka mandalairmandite Yaksha Gandharva Siddhankhana mandalairarjite.
Good. Again, it's not Matruka, it's Matrika. It's not
Thank you. Matrika.
Correct. That is right.
Thank
So
you.
there is no who or generally we tend to make that mistake. When there is a r, when there is a swara, t plus r, matrika it is. It's neither matruka, it's neither matraka. It's matrika. So it's a general observation which we usually make when we are when we're teaching or learning. So all of you can note that down. Whenever we have this kind of akshara, it's matrika.
Matrika.
Correct. Yes.
Thank you.
Padma Srinivasan.
Namaste, madam.
Namaste.
पञ्चबाणात्मिके पञ्चबाणेन रत्या च सम्भाविते प्रीतिभाजावसन्तेन चानन्दिते.
Good. Sri Vidya Balagopal.
Ram Ram Ram.
Ram.
भक्ति बाजां परं श्रेयसे कल्पसे. Next, can I chant? योगिनां मानसे द्योदसे.
Correct. When you're telling Dyotase, before that you may stress a little. Manase Dyotase.
Okay, sure.
Lata.
छन्दसा मोजसा ब्राजसे गीतविद्या विनोतादि कृष्णेन सम्पूज्यसे.
Would you like to repeat this line by correcting the da and ta difference? It's vinodati.
गीतविद्या विनोदाति कृष्णेन सम्पूज्यसे.
Correct. Good. Sujata Bhatt.
भक्तिमच्चेतस वेधसास्त्यूयसे विश्वहृद्येन वाद्येन विद्याधरैर्गीयसे.
You were right the first time. The dha is a mahaprana. Vidyadharair.
विश्वहृद्येन वाद्येन विद्याधरैर्गीयसे.
When you're able to confidently pronounce the mahapranas, please do not miss them out. Neither while chanting daily or your assessment. It's just a point that assessment at least will give that extra effort and practice. That's all the assessments are for. So when we get a chance to give that extra effort, let us try that.
Astu Bhagini.
Sorry, another observation. Hridyena also falls under the same thing. It's not Hridyena, it's Hridyena. You can correct it when you're chanting it. That's okay. Jai Shri Brindavanam.
श्रवणहरण दक्षिणक्वाणया वीणया किन्नरैर्गीयसे यक्षगन्धर्वसिद्धाङ्गनामण्डलैरर्चसे.
Good. Madhubala.
सर्वसौभाग्यवाञ्छावतीभिर्वधूभिः सुराणां समाराध्यसे.
Good. That line was chanted. Radha Ram Mohan.
Namaste, madam.
Namaste.
सर्वविद्या विशेषात्मकं चाटु गाथा समुच्चारणं कंठ मूलोलसद्वर्ण राजित्रयं कोमलश्यामलो धारपक्षद्वयं तुण्डशोभाति दूरीभवत् किंशुकं तं शुकं लालयन्ति परिक्रीडसे.
Good. Very good fluency. But few, the anuswaras, the pronunciation of the anuswaras. Anuswaras, I mean the dot on top of the letter. You can maybe concentrate on how to pronounce them slowly. Nothing, you may listen to the recordings and you may try to practice that.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Most of them were right. The first half it was right. The anuswaras were right. In Kim Shukam Tam Shukam, it became a little off.
Okay.
Fine.
Okay. Thank you.
Good. And it is not Viseshatmakam, it is Visheshatmakam. Both are shas, but different shas.
Okay.
There is no Saraswati sha there.
Visheshatmakam.
Sorry?
Visheshatmakam.
The first one, the first is, I hear it as a Saraswati sa. It is not Saraswati sa. It is Shiva sha.
Okay. Visheshatmakam.
Yes, the first is Shiva sha, the second is Shanmukha sha.
Okay. Thank you.
Jyoti, you may chant the same line.
Ram Ram Guruji.
Ram.
सर्वविद्याविशेषात्मकं चाटुगाथा समुच्चारणं कण्ठमूलोल्लसद्वर्णराजित्रयं कोमलश्यामलोदारपक्षद्वयं तुण्डशोभाति दूरीभवत् किं शुकं तं शुकल्लालयन्ति परिक्रीडसे.
You just missed the first anuswara, otherwise all the
Yes.
anuswaras.
Yes. But I read it from the screen instead of my page, so
That's okay.
yeah.
That's okay. But we know that until we know that we need to concentrate. That's okay. Good.
Yeah, you spotted it correctly.
Right.
Yeah. Thank you, Guruji.
Anjana Krishna Swami. We shall revise these lines which we learned today also. The ones whom I am calling out, it's okay if you're not confident to immediately chant these lines. It is okay. You may tell me that you will chant it tomorrow or in the test directly. Or if you want to try also, it is okay. It is not wrong to make mistakes. It is completely fine. So if you, we shall revise these lines also. In case we do not get a chance to revise tomorrow. Anjana.
Bhagini. Pani पद्मद्वयेनाक्षमालामपि स्फाटिकीं ज्ञान सारात्मकं पुस्तकं चापरेणाङ्कुशं पाशमाबिभ्रति येन सञ्चिन्त्यसे तस्य वक्त्रान्तरात् गद्यपद्यात्मिका भारती निस्सरेत्.
Good. Maddala Ramesh.
येन वा यावकाभाकृतिर्भाव्यसे तस्य वश्या भवन्ति स्त्रियः पुरुषाः.
Good. Shobha Latamani.
राम राम भगिनी. येन वा शातकुम्भद्युतिर्भाव्यसे सोऽपि लक्ष्मी सहस्रै परिक्रीडते.
सौम्य नारायण.
किं न सिद्ध्येद्वपुष्यामलं कोमलं चन्द्रचूडान्वितं तावकं ध्यायतः.
Correct. Chandrachudanvitan tavakam Tavakandhyayataha. That's okay. We learned it just today, so that's fine. The 9th and 10th line, the person whom I call out can chant together. Nagarajan Iyer.
Ram Ram Guruji.
Ram.
Tasya Leela Sarovaridhihi Tasya Kelivanan Nandanan Tasya Bhadrasanan Bhutalan Tasya Gir Devata Kinkari Tasya Chajñakari Shri Swayam. धन्यवाद.
Geeta M.
सर्वतीर्थात्मिके सर्वमन्त्रात्मिके सर्वतन्त्रात्मिके सर्वयन्त्रात्मिके सर्वशक्त्यात्मिके सर्वपीठात्मिके सर्वतत्त्वात्मिके सर्वविद्यात्मिके सर्वयोगात्मिके सर्वनादात्मिके सर्वशब्दात्मिके सर्वविश्वात्मिके सर्वदीक्षात्मिके सर्वात्मिके सर्वगे पाहि मां देवी तुभ्यं नमो देवी तुभ्यं नमो देवी तुभ्यं नमः.
That's wonderful. So we've revised 3, 4 and 5. The 3 dandakams today. Initially we revised 3 and 4 half by the panelists. And then we also revised yesterday's lines, which we learned yesterday. So I think we have completed quite a few times of revision, quite a few rounds of revision. So I think all of you would be confident enough to take up the test. I am confident about that. So you can either take up Parayana or Kantapata, so that it is just a chance for us to revise it more and learn it more thoroughly. That is it. So there is nothing else. There is no other aim in this. It is all about just making sure whatever you've learned it well, you've learned it thoroughly. That is it. Now you can raise your hands for questions. Those who have raised your hands for chanting, I hope at least 1 or 2 days have given a chance to whoever raised your hands for chanting. If I've missed out anyone, very sorry, but now you can begin raising your hands for questions. Those who have raised your hands for chanting, please lower your hands so that it will be easier for me to call out.
Namaskara, ma'am. Ma'am, is there any WhatsApp group being chanted? Because you said we will get the recording of your chanting.
Yes. Okay, I shall now share it again. There is a link. I shall now share it in the chat. You may join.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I did not get a chance to chant.
Oh, okay. Sorry. I think I would have missed it. Very sorry about that. If we revise tomorrow, I shall definitely call.
I only joined the class for the 3rd, 4th, and 5th Dandakam. The first 2 I've missed, so please kindly call me during the end. The first
You
few I
have
have
the
to go
recordings
listen.
on them. You have the
I
recordings.
have to go and sit and learn it back again.
Sure.
Join back later, ma'am.
Sorry.
No, the first 2 class that I missed, I will revise back again, looking at the recording of the classes.
Sure.
Thank you.
Vatsala.
Ma'am, what is the schedule for tomorrow?
Tomorrow we have the same 5 to 6. You can all log in by 4:55, whatever you do every day.
Okay, thank you.
Yes. Padma Srinivasan.
எஸ் பக்னி இது 9th வரைக்கும் கிளாஸ் இருக்கு இல்லையா?
இல்ல 8th வரைக்கும் கிளாஸ்.
ஓகே 9th நாளையோட முடியாது. சர்டிபிகேட் எப்படி டவுன்லோட் பண்ண முடியும் பக்னி?
இல்ல அது கிளாஸ் முடிஞ்ச உடனே உங்களுக்கு இது அசஸ்மென்ட் எடுத்துட்டா அது உடனே தெரியும் அடுத்தது.
ஓகே வாட்ஸ்அப் எப்படி நாங்க எதுல போய் ஜாயின் பண்ணோம்? இப்ப எதுக்காக இப்ப வாட்ஸ்அப் அது இப்ப நாளை கிளாஸ் முடியறதே?
இல்ல இப்ப வேணா you can join if required. There'll be communications in WhatsApp regarding maybe links you might get even through WhatsApp so that you don't miss your mail.
மெயிலையும் வருது தானே, அதனால கேட்டேன் பக்னி.
அதான் இல்ல உங்களுக்கு மெயில்ல உங்களுக்கு if you're comfortable you can continue with mail.
Okay.
Those who would like to join the WhatsApp can join. That's it.
Okay, thank you bhai. Dhanyawad.
So I've shared the WhatsApp link. Sorry. Share the WhatsApp group link here in the chat. Those who would like to join, who have not yet joined, may join. Uma Tadimeti.
Ram Bhagini. I want to know what is the tomorrow's class will be about, Bhagini. I mean, we finished the revision today. So what will tomorrow's
Tomorrow there will be valedictory, but there might also be revision. It depends.
Valedictory means I didn't get what it is.
No, we will have a chief guest and we'll have all the happenings tomorrow.
Okay.
We'll have a chief guest who will be talking about this course.
Okay, Bhagini.
And if
Thank you.
time permits, mostly we will have revision, either before or after. That's it.
Okay, Bhagini. Thank you.
Within 5 to 6, but.
Okay, thank you, Bhagini.
Lakshmi N. Tomorrow, all the announcements regarding the assessments and whatever proceedings next shall be made. So kindly do not miss tomorrow. Since we do not have class, we will not be attending, because tomorrow, if you are missing the assessment dates here, then you might also have a problem not receiving a mail or not blocking your dates, all such issues. So kindly do not do that. So all your other questions or other technical issues which you might have also might be clear tomorrow. So please do not think tomorrow we do not have class. 90%, 99% we'll have revision also. Okay, Lakshmi N.
Yeah, can we get the audio for the chanting of this complete shloka, Guruji?
Yes, the video shall be uploaded on YouTube.
Okay, thank you, Guruji.
Lavanya Kumari.
Ma'am, in the fifth Dandakam, could you again repeat the last shloka?
The last shloka. You can try to listen to the audio, the class recording again.
Okay, ma'am.
It's been repeated a couple of times by me, by the panelists, by the students here. So you can try to listen to that again. It's quite easy, the last line.
Namaste, Bhagini.
Namaste.
In the second Dandakam, in the second thing, Samudhyota Manana Vadyanshu is given in the script, madam. Instead of Vadyanka.
Second line, is it?
Yes. In the script, it is given as Vadyanshu.
It's Vadyamshu is it is a Pata Veda.
But in the where you teach, it is Vadyanga.
So where are you referring to?
In the same script, Devanagari script.
Okay.
Which is there in the PDF, it is Vadyanshu.
Okay, I shall just check that. Sorry regarding that.
Okay.
I shall look into it.
Thank you.
Will the assessment be tomorrow? Because in WhatsApp
Assessment is not tomorrow. The dates will be announced tomorrow. Okay, because Dina Vahi.
Yes, Ram. First and foremost, you told tomorrow chief guest will be coming, right? Who will be the chief guest?
Sorry?
Tomorrow, you told there will be chief guest coming in the class tomorrow, right?
Right.
Who will be the chief guest?
We shall let you know tomorrow.
Okay, no problem. I just wanted curious.
Yeah.
Another thing, just now one lady has asked. She spoke about second Dandaka, right? It is you pronounce it as a Vadyanga, and in the script it is Vadyamshu. So I'm referring Telugu script. Both are correct, because in the Telugu script it is written as Vadyamshu, like the previous lady told, but there's a note given. It can be pronounced as Vadyanga also.
Right. Okay.
So maybe in Devanagari it was not given, but in Telugu script it is given.
Namaste.
So I think it's a part of it.
Thank you for that.
Thank you.
Namaskaram.
So you don't have to go and refer back.
Okay. Thank you.
Namaskaram, ma'am. Yes, in yesterday's class you mentioned you will share the link for the Anuswara rules.
Right, Anuswara rules. I shall share the link for the Anuswara rules. Sorry, I missed that. I shall share it. Sure. Or through WhatsApp group, I shall request them to share. Nagashri.
Mahodaya, can we get the full chant of the Dandakam by you?
Yes, it will be uploaded.
Pardon? I didn't.
No, it will be uploaded within
Okay, the
probably
full
tomorrow
chant.
or something. It is ready to be uploaded.
Okay, thank you.
Jyoti?
Can you hear me, Bhagini?
Yes.
I'm not able. Okay. The verses which you taught today from the 5th Dandakam, in the sloka number 5, Panipadma Dvayenakshamalapi Spati King. It is king, is it? King Jnana Saratmakam. So it's king, the pronunciation.
Spatiki Jnana. Nya, it is. Nya.
Yeah, so if it's near, then the Spati king, it's pronounced as king, not Kim.
That's what. The Anuswara there is pronounced as Nya. Nya.
Oh,
Not
okay.
Nya is different there. The next letter is different.
Okay.
So, Spatiki Jnana Saratmakam.
Okay. Okay. Spati king Jnana Saratmakam. Okay. That's the way. Spati king.
Yes.
But okay. And in the sloka number 8, the Chandra Chuda Vitan.
Chandra Chudan Vitan Tavakam. Na.
No. And Tavakam. Okay.
Tavakam Dhya. Yes.
Yeah.
No, sorry. Tavakan Dhyayataha.
Oh, okay. Yeah, Tavaka. And in the same Dandakam, 5th Dandakam, the 4th sloka, it is Kim Shukan Tam Shukal.
Kim Shukan Tam Shukal Lalayanti.
Yeah, so that is Tam. Okay. Thank you, Bhagini, very much.
Sri Vidya Balagopal.
In this 5th Dandakam, this 10th sloka, it is Bhadra Sanam or Sanan, N or M. Sasya Keli Vanan Nandanan.
Dasya Bhadrasana.
M. Is it M?
M.
Or somebody else chanted N.
Oh, okay. It is Bha Bhama. The next letter is Bha. So the last letter of the Varga is Ma. So Bhadrasanam.
Bhadrasanam Bhudalan. There it is.
Bhudalan. Tatha. So Bhudalan. N. N for naughty. That N. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Jai Shri Brindavanam.
Yeah, ma'am, I was referring to Telugu script. I could find here in the script below to that Dandakam. In Pradama Dandakam, third stanza, Mayuka Vali Nadha. And in the script, like in the above, it is like Mayuka Vali Badha. So it is like we can say that as well. Mayuka Vali Nadha also we can say. For what? Sorry, it is third line. Shekari Bhuta Shitanshu Rekha Mayuka Vali Badha. It is given in the stanza. And to down of the script, they have given Mayuka Vali Nadha.
Which Dandakam number, please?
Pradama Dandakam. Ma'am, it is given in all the Dandakas, like some numerical numbers they have given, and given some other words like Nilot Pales Yamale.
So Mayukavali Badha is what we have learned here. Mayukavali Nadha is another part of Veda. It is not wrong. So that number is nothing but footnote where it says there is another version of the same word.
So we can use that also. It is not like wrong.
It is not wrong, but here let us follow the same script so that it is we follow uniformity. That's it.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Bhagini.
We learned it as Mayukavali Badha in this course.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. I just want to get clarity regarding that numbers. That's it.
Okay, yeah. Jayalakshmi Ravi.
Ram. Madam, எனக்கு சான்ஸ்கிரிட் தெரியாது. பட் இதுல அதெல்லாம் இப்ப இவங்கெல்லாம் சொல்றத பார்த்தாலே ஒரு கிரீக் அண்ட் லாட்டின் மாதிரி இருக்கு. ஷாமலன், கோமலன், இதெல்லாம் பூத்தலன், இதெல்லாம் எப்படி எனக்கு தெரிஞ்சுக்க? எழுதும்போது நீங்க இம் போட்டிருக்கீங்க. தமிழ் வருஷன் தான் படிக்கிறேன்.
இல்ல அதான் சம்ஸ்கிருதத்திலயும் actually the dot represents im. Sorry, it's just an anuswara. Sometimes we tend to pronounce it as im, but maybe நீங்க வந்து அந்த ஸ்கிரிப்ட்லயே அந்த இம்முக்கு மேல you can put the respective letters for now. Instead of knowing that im is something like that, instead of getting it that way, just above that im, just put n, m, something like that.
அந்த மாதிரி போட்டுட்டு கத்துக்கலாம் இல்லையா, படிக்கலாம். ஓகே.
தான் இருக்கு தமிழ்ல. சோ உனக்கு அடுத்த லெட்டர் க க க க கல ஒன்னு இருந்தா இட் இஸ் ங, தட் அந்த இம்ம வந்து ஞான்னு படிக்கணும்.
ஓகே ஓகே, புரியுது.
Depends on the next letter.
ஓகே. அதுக்கு ஏதாவது இருக்கா ரூல் ஏதாவது இருக்கா, அது இருந்தா ஷேர் பண்றீங்களா?
You don't need to confuse yourself with rule. For now, just put it as m, n, whatever above that.
எழுதிட்டு படிக்கலாம். ஓகே ஓகே.
Or na, nya. So we have those letters in Tamil. Kana, kanga, cha, nya, ta, na. Those are there. So that letter you can write on top of m.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much.
Guruji, what letter can we put for the Spartaking? Like it's not M or N. So what do we put?
It's nya. If you know some Devanagari, then it is cha, cha, ja, ja, nya.
Nya. Okay. But jnana is different, no? That's also
yeah.
Yeah. And this is that nerve with that, there's a hyphen like stuff on the N. Is that what we are referring to? Okay.
Cha, ja, ja, the last
Yes, got it.
Dhanyavadaha sarvebhyaha. So we shall end the class here today. We shall all meet tomorrow at 5 p.m. The same timings. Please make sure you do not miss tomorrow's class, mainly because all the informations, most of the doubts what you ask might be clear tomorrow. And we should also be having the revision class. We've attended successfully for the 8 days. It is completely the blessings of Devi Shyamala that without any vighna, without any hurdles, we've been able to complete the learning of the Shyamala Dandakam. So tomorrow we shall finish learning and see how to prepare next for the assessment.
Bhagini, thank you very much, Bhagini. You have taught with great patience and great devotion. Really, really, really grateful to have attended your class. Thank you very much.
Dhanyavadaha.
Thank you very much.
There is another class, so I shall be ending it. So maybe tomorrow you can definitely, you'll definitely get a chance to clear your doubts. Dhanyavada, Ram Ram Ram.